these makeup tutorials because I'm like, and these things that these people are doing, I can't do it. I'm a badass. Yeah. Time, and I told my Aunt Sherry, that I was going to make another. I was going to make another video, another squeaky video. And here I am, one day, bored out of my mind because nobody's here. Little old me is alone. This is because I have TV in my room. And I have a portable DVD player that plugs in to my TV. And I've got a friend bringing over some scary movies that I haven't seen. I've never seen Signs, and I'm stoked. Honestly, completely stoked. My mom's coming back from Montana, which she didn't take me to. Curse my grades. Kristen! And she's gonna visit me really soon. And I got a new phone. I paid for this one all by myself. All by myself. Can't eat that. Ooh. Yeah. I'm excited. Can't hyper. It's winter. My tree is orange, which is my favorite color. That excites me. The sooner winter comes, the sooner I get to rip out my snowboard. And go snowboarding. Yeah. And go to Craig's Hill. And go sledding. Psst. And I can't wait for Halloween because that's my favorite holiday. Because I get to dress up and run around saying trick or treat and get candy for it. I tried that once and it wasn't Halloween. And they chased me out their doorstep with a broom. With a broom! How rude!